Y'all, I have great news if you are interested in starting a YouTube channel. They are 4 steps that are gonna help you get going, and make sure you stay all the way to number 4. Hey y'all, if you're new here, my name is Tanisha T. I enjoy teaching you all things abundance and side hustles, and I want you to be a part of my family. So if you're new here, please subscribe and stay all the way through this video and give me a thumbs up. All right, y'all, let's get right into it. Let's start with number 1. So these updates that have changed from, in YouTube is taking effect in June of 2023, but I want you to be aware of them because it's out of control. So the first change that they made to their policy was that you no longer have to have 1,000 subscribers to get monetized. Monetized simply means that you are now able to get paid or money generated from people watching your YouTube videos. So prior to when I started my channel, it was 1,000 subscribers you had to start, get that monetization. So guys, that's so big for new YouTubers that want to start out, that you can only have 500 subscribers and start getting monetized, which is amazing. It's a great opportunity. So that being said, that is a great change and I'm excited for you all. Okay, let's go on to the second change. All right, y'all. So the second change is that all you have to have is 3 validated uploads in at least 90 days. So if you really look at that, that is 1 video per month in a 3-month time period, right? But to give you an example of how little bit that is, I currently do 2 videos per week. So and I am on the lower end, y'all, of some content creators, okay? So really and truly, I would say, in my opinion, consistency is key, and the algorithm or YouTube will reward you for being consistent. So the minimum is, 1 video every month for 90 days. But I would highly suggest you rethink that and maybe think about 1 a week or two times a month type of thing until you get comfortable with it. But 1 a week is absolutely, that's just the minimum. So we never want to do the minimum, right? Because we don't want to live a minimum life, okay? All right, so let's go on to the third change. All right, y'all. So the third change is the watch time change, right? So the watch time is how long an individual literally watches your video. So it went from, the requirement used to be 4,000 watch hours. And that was very confusing to me in the very beginning. I'm not gonna lie. I did not really understand what that meant, or like how important or how hard it was to get 4,000 watch hours. Because in my eyes, I was like, boom, write me a check, YouTube, Google, let me go. Give me my check when I saw my 1,000 subscribers. But woo, woo, woo. That 4,000 watch hours was hard to get, because really and truly those are literal hours. So if somebody's on your channel and they don't watch your video for the full length of the video, right? They watch a minute, 30 seconds, 25 seconds, whatever. That's 25 seconds chipping away from your 4,000 watch hour minimum, right? So to drop it from 4,000 to 3,000 is super cool and an attainable goal for you, YouTubers. So I want you to know that that is a great tool for you to use as a new YouTuber, because like I said, watch hours are hard to come by. So here's a little tip for you with watch hours, guys. You have to find compelling content, right? Something that people are gonna wanna keep watching, not something that they're gonna click off of. So you can say, hey, stay to the end of the video, or, my favorite tip is at the end. Something that's gonna keep them through the length of the video, or make sure you're bringing them information that is helpful, right? Not just what you want to do. So just make sure that it is a compelling topic and you're speaking to a specific group. Okay, let's go on to the last and my most favorite change. My favorite change, y'all, is that YouTube Shorts, the YouTube Shorts now, you used to have to get to 10 million views in order to be monetized through Shorts only. You can be monetized through only Shorts, which is really cool. So in this case, we're talking about the Shorts. And the change that happened with that is that you don't have to have 10 million views anymore. It's down to only 3 million views, which is really amazing if you really look at the numbers. So from 10 million down to only 3 million, that's 7 million less views you have to get monetized on YouTube quicker. So what does that say? Get going, get your equipment, get your content, get your niche, have fun, set up your camera, just talk to it, right? You would be so surprised when you get that YouTube check in the mail and it's literally just you talking to the camera. Hey, gone are the days where you feel like anything is hard. Everything is at your fingertips, okay, guys? So get out of your own way. Set up your equipment, get started. YouTube is even making it easier for you to get started with these changes. So I don't want to hear it. So if you're going to be starting and you want more videos about that, let me know in the comments below. If you like this video and you want to hear more about my YouTube journey, here's a video of, when I started out my YouTube channel and how much I got paid as a small account. But that being said, guys, I thank you so much for staying all the way through. May you please, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed, do so again. Y'all my family, so I appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you have a blessed day, a blessed week, a blessed month, and a blessed rest of the year. See y'all soon.